Hello everyone, welcome back to another video of editing basics. In this video, we are going to learn about how to add writing lines in your Canva. First step is to open your browser. Now on the search bar, type in canva.com. It will lead you to a homepage of Canva website. And here on the top right corner, you can see this create a design button. Click on it, and here on the search bar, type in A4 document. Now click on this A4 portrait document. Now after that, you can see different options on the left side. Check on the elements, and on the search bar, type in line. Now click on this graphics, and here you can see different options. You can choose any of this option. If you don't have Canva Pro version, you can choose the free options. Here I am choosing this one. Now resize this into your doc file. Now another step to create a line in your document is type in the command L, and it will create this line. Now resize this according to your preference. Now here you can see this option which says duplicate. Click on it and it will create another line. Now again click on duplicate and it will create another line. Likewise, you can do this on the entire page. And this is another step that you can follow if you want to add writing lines in your Canva. Thank you for watching this video. I hope this video was helpful to you. Please do like, share and subscribe to our channel, and don't forget to comment down below if you have any queries. Thank you.